Hello, it is Bianca coming to you from Paris, and I've got a little video to help you prepare for our Santa Fe Adult Ballet weekend, which is going to be awesome and so much fun. I'm really looking forward to it. So let's go through a few things that you might want to bring, that definitely some of them you absolutely should bring. So start with your friend, the yoga mat. We will not be in a position to provide these, and you are probably going to want it definitely for the end of day stretching and yoga, but maybe even for the beginning of the day when we're doing our warm-up, strength training sessions. So a yoga mat is highly recommended. Next, New Mexico's dry. Don't forget your water bottle. You're gonna need that too. And you want to make sure you come prepared with layers of clothing. It can be unpredictable in terms of what the weather is going to be like, in terms of what the temperature is going to be like in the building. And on top of that, my students know that I'm a big advocate for starting with more layers, generating some good body heat, and peeling off the layers as you go. So bring those leg warmers, bring those cozy warm-up wear. You can buy some from Diana, who is going to have a table there selling custom-made ones, different sizes, different styles. You can specifically request things. Sweatshirts, beanies, long underwear. Bring it, wear it. You can always take it off if you don't need it, right? Next, we're gonna go into things that are gonna help you be prepared to dance. So your dance shoes, of course, but also some good old socks. For a variety of reasons. Alex has a class that he wants you to wear socks in, and sometimes it's good to be able to switch it up. I'm gonna suggest maybe some snacks, some nuts, some fruit, something for in between. If you get a little low blood sugar and it's not time for lunch yet, so definitely pack some snacks. And a little cash or a checkbook, because on Saturday we'll have a $1 chair massage available, no more than 20 minutes, but that's with Corey. He takes cash or check. And then, of course, as mentioned, Diana's going to have a table and is going to be selling her fabulous dance warm-ups, and you might fall in love with one, and she takes cash or check. Also, for Vara Wine Night, those of you who have RSVP, because a reservation is required, they are asking for $10 at the door to cover wine and snacks. You can, of course, order additional things directly from the restaurant when you're there, but to come in, it's a $10 entry, and I believe they prefer cash. So come with a little cash or at least a checkbook. Then, of course, survival for the weekend. If you use rolling balls, you should absolutely bring them. Those of you who have taken class with our awesome Lisa for your best ballet body have another set of rolling balls. I recommend bringing them. Some people like to work with bands. If you know that you want a yoga strap, any of that kind of thing, good idea to pack it and put it in your dance bag. And let's not forget our friend Tiger Balm, right? Whatever muscle rub you use. For me, I like to have some magnesium when I'm doing a lot of dancing, because that can help with sore muscles. So things that are going to kind of help keep you flowing and going throughout the weekend. Don't forget, you're going to want to bring some kind of notebook and writing implement. Some of my beginning of the day warm-ups are going to involve a little bit of note-taking about goals or things you've learned. And also one of my breakout sessions is going to involve a little bit of writing and potentially drawing. So something to write on and to write with. And whatever things are going to help make you comfortable, something for your hair. Maybe you want a mask to put in your bag just in case you're not feeling super great, but you don't want to miss class and you're not sure. Your sense of fun and adventure, as stated in the program. Those are a few of the things you might want to pack. We're going to have a great time together. And let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you soon in Santa Fe. Bye.